Our next guest is from Alchemy, a platform looking to empower Web3 developers with AI. Joining us to discuss is Elan Halpern, Alchemy's developer experience lead. Welcome to the show, Elan.
Thank you for having me. Excited to be here.
All right, let's talk about Web3 and AI. It's middle season. These new tools are meant to empower developers. How are you incorporating AI into building?
Yeah, absolutely. So we actually just recently launched AlchemyAI, which is a new suite of tools that kind of does two things. There's two products here. Number one is a ChatGPT plugin, and number two is an entirely new product that we're calling Chat Web3. And so what these products allow you to do is two things. The plugin literally converts natural language, so plain English requests, like show me the most expensive transaction that happened in the past 10 minutes, and converts that request into an API call and sends you back the response. So this makes it a lot easier to use natural language and get real-time on-chain data in a way that really wasn't possible before. And the Chat Web3 separate product, this is going to live inside the Alchemy product suite. You can think of this as sort of a partner programmer. So this is an entirely new tool that you can actually have discussions with while you're building projects. So my transaction's been pending for a little while. Do you have any suggestions about how I can debug that? Or write me a script to get all NFTs, and it'll write that script for you. So we're super excited over here at Alchemy about the potential that this has to both lower the barrier to entry for people entering the space and overall improve the developer workflows that are happening in Web3 right now.
So I was going to ask for the folks at home who are trying to figure out exactly what's happening here in terms of, why would we need a decentralized database to do something like AI versus a centralized database? What are the efficiencies here?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I think the way we see AI here is a developer tool that makes it easier to build. So I think AI is going to be very powerful for both decentralized databases like blockchains and centralized databases in Web 2. It allows you to enhance your workflow in a lot of really unique ways. I think there are some unique aspects where we bridge together AI and Web 3, like decentralizing compute and stuff like that. But overall, I think AI as a developer tooling space has a lot of power both in Web 2 and Web 3.
You explained a scenario in your first answer about a developer, querying how to do something. Are there any security risks here? We've seen in a lot of news headlines lately, AI not always getting it right.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think this is something that we are coming with out of the gate and saying, look, this is early technology. OpenAI and ChatGPT is infamous for doing these things called hallucinations, where if they're not quite sure about the answer, they'll make up a response. And so I think to your point, this is really new. It's extremely powerful, but people shouldn't be using it as a single source of truth. You should always fact check. You should always double check that thing is correct, that it's telling you, because it has these intricacies being an early technology. And on the Alchemy side, we're going to bake in some extra netting, some extra cushion to help with these error response, maybe telling it, hey, this might not be a correct answer. Make sure you double check this. So it's definitely something that's top of mind. I would not recommend developers or consumers or users in general with AI to take it as a single source of truth.
Elan, thank you very much for joining the show this morning.
Thank you for having me.
That was Elan Halpern, Alchemy Developer Experience Lead.